Which of the following is not one of Confucius' Analects? Which of the following is not one of Confucius' Analects? Is it letter A, let loyalty and truth be paramount with you? Letter B, return good for good, for evil justice. Letter C, all doors lead to somewhere. Or in letter D, in mourning, it is better to be sincere than punctilious. For this one is letter C. All doors lead to somewhere. So it's more on morality, learning, and of course, yung mga kailangang mga values na kailangan nating i-manifest during rituals and of course filial piety. If you're going to delve deeper into the Analects of Confucius, we would know that yung mga aphorisms niya at mga nakasulat doon sa Analects is nagbibigay ng insights kung paano pinapaktakbo ang isang government at kung paano pinapatakbo ang isang society. It's all about also moral and political concepts. Kung ano yung morally right, ano yung wrong, paano natin maiiwasan yung mga mali, and of course, political concepts and how we could really delve into the lens of politics, knowing, like, for example, opening our eyes in the issues of corruption, bad leadership,